took me 2 days before I just threw away my painkillers and my crutches. That's what I told Adam in this interview. Adam from Senora Diaries. Every time I think about it, I get the chills because it's so amazing. So those 2 days didn't just change my body. It changed my whole life. It changed the way I see life. In this video, you will see the full conversation between me and Adam, and perhaps spark a little thing in your head if you are planning and having these dreams to do something. Because the fact is, we only have one life right here on Earth. And it's your responsibility to do something about it. Because if you don't make a change, nothing will happen. And right after this video, I will show you 2 different mindset shifts. The same one that got me to where I am today and got me started with the Freedom Formula Blueprint. So by the end of this video, you will know how to create an income on your terms instead of just fighting your dream, right? Have you ever felt torn between paying your bills and living your life? Well, I know I did. I did that for years. My pain was my boss. It told me if I could go out of bed, if I could eat, if I could take a shower, if I could work, be with friends, travel. It told me everything, and I said nothing. Then I came to Bali. A little bit of an accident, but it was meant to be. So I wasn't there for any vacation. I was there to survive. And what happened next was it became proof that profit and peace can coexist. You don't have to pick and choose one or the other. And that's what I'm going to show. You're about to see my full talk with Adam, the uncut reality, and how I followed my dream, even living with pain, right? And Adam did it too. And this is a reminder how fast everything can change. You have to get a hold of your life and do something, and do it now. Let's see the video with Adam and stick to the end, because I'm going to show you the 2 mindset shifts that were so important.
I'm here with Mia, and Mia's from Sweden, and she was very kind to sort of talk to me today. So Mia, why do you come to Bali? What's your...
Yeah, actually, I live here in Bali 6 months a year. Due to my health issues.
Yeah.
And I come from Sweden, and it's very cold winter time.
Yeah.
So when I wake up in the morning, I look like this.
Really?
And I can't even move a muscle.
So the cold really affects your body?
Yeah.
Wow.
Come here, it takes me 2 days. I throw away my painkillers and my crutches.
Wow. So in Sweden, you're on the crutches here. You're easy. I mean, that's amazing. Do you, so what do you do when you're here to keep yourself occupied, busy?
I work online.
Oh.
Other people, we are called Spoonies.
Yeah.
The ones paying.
Oh.
So I help other people to realize that there is another way.
Yeah.
Another way to...
It's not just medication.
Yeah, exactly. So they can live wherever they want in the world.
Wow.
I teach them online how to start their own online businesses.
Yeah. And I guess for them, people need to find their own piece of paradise somewhere.
Exactly.
And something that suits their health conditions, where if they need some help from medical services, they can get it. So all that sort of stuff. Oh, you help them with that. Well, that's really, really good idea.
Cool.
And so you go back to Sweden for the summer.
Yep.
And you're generally fine during the Swedish stuff.
Yeah.
So do you keep your house in Sweden, or do you have to...
No, we have a little cottage in Sweden.
Yeah.
Actually sold our house just to be able to be on Bali for so long. So we are in a summer house in Sweden. We are meeting up with family and friends and creating memories with them, right? And then we go back there as soon as it's cold. We come back to Bali.
That's inspirational, that is. And you moved here with family as well.
I moved here with my husband.
Yes.
My kids, I have 5 kids.
Yes.
But they are at home. They have their own life.
Yeah. So you move here with your husband, and then you see them when you go back, and that's working out well for you?
Perfect.
How long have you been doing this for?
This is 7th time I'm here in Bali.
7 or second?
7.
Wow. So you've been doing it for a lot of years now.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Amazing. So what's the message for other people who are, because I think a lot of people sit at home and think, I would love to do that, but I can't. Because it's hard to do, isn't it?
Yeah. Like I said, I have 5 kids. And I've always done the parenting and everything. And so I just felt like we actually came to Bali the first time by mistake because we should go somewhere else and it was canceled. So we went to Bali and I totally fell in love, especially with Sonora.
Yeah.
And I love it. And I just, my only advice to people is do it.
Yes.
You have one life.
Yeah. It's on running out.
They still my students to say that you don't have to start living your life, just being alive.
True.
Regardless if you're living with pain, as I learned, you don't live with pain.
Yeah.
You have one life.
Yeah.
Your responsibility.
And your choice.
Says,
yeah.
You can,
wow.
If you don't make a change, nothing will happen.
Man. Yeah. That's beautiful. Thank you very much, Mia, for being on the channel. Awesome. Lovely copy there. But I don't even know what language that is. It doesn't sound very Indonesian or anything. And thanks to Mia for having a bit of a chat there. I think hearing some of those stories is, well, for me, it's interesting because it just shows that there are just different ways that people are living their lives, you know. And there's one of those things that I sort of think, you know, if you want to go and do something, you've got this dream to do it, you probably should try and do it, really. Yeah, me and I've done it.
Well, after that conversation, I realized something massive. Most Spoonies are trying to cope out of their pain instead of creating their way into peace. Here is what changed for me and what can change for you. I used my Freedom Formula Blueprint, and if you're interested, I leave the link down below so you can check it out and see if it's something for you. But once again, here is what changed for me. Automate your good days. I built simple digital systems that worked for me 24/7, even when I had my clear days. So I could get paid even when I wasn't working. I detach my worth from my workload. You can make money, you can make profit without any pressure. You just have to learn a system to work around your body instead of against your body. Your body sets the rhythm and your business kind of follow it. Let peace be your strategy. The calmer I became, the clearer I saw my goal and what I wanted to have in this life and what I want to give back to people in this life. Peace is not a prize. It's a plan. Those of you who know me from before knows that I always work towards time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. Many people with pain don't think they are worthy of that, but we are. And that was the moment I became free. Not cured, but free. So if that's what you want to, after this video, take a breath. Inhale, exhale. And don't forget to download the Freedom Formula Blueprint down below so you can take an educated decision if you are able to follow this step by step to your dream life. It's the same roadmap that turned my pain into my success story. And now my mission is to help 1,111 other Spoonies to start their own online business and to be able to go on their journey to the 3 freedoms. So that brings me to mindset shift number 2. I hear it all the time. People always saying, when I feel better, I will start. Or when my kids grow up, I will start. But if I have waited for a better time, which, by the way, never exists, I would be stuck. I remember stuck is just a feeling. Freedom starts messy. It starts with one little micro decision, the choice to walk anyway, to take that first baby step. That became my learning system because I had my Freedom Formula Blueprint and I could follow it step by step and I could earn while I was learning, right? And that's why I can live 6 months on Bali healing my body and 6 months in Sweden creating memories with my family. Here is a few tips what you can do in your life. Find your freedom number. Know the income you need to be able to rest without any guilt. Choose if you want to build an own digital product or if you want to have a system that is already done for you. That's what I chose because I wasn't techy and I didn't have the strength and I didn't know what to do and where to start. So I started with this done for you program. But it's your choice. Create systems that carries you when your body doesn't. That is what freedom feels like. Structure that supports you and your body and your preference in life. That's the heartbeat of Freedom Formula Blueprint. A step-by-step blueprint for Spoonies to start living their life, not just being alive. Create sustainable income and take care of your health. You can do it both. Because peace isn't passive. Peace is chosen. It's a purpose. And profit doesn't mean pressure. Absolutely not. And it can mean protection for your mind, your body, and your worth. So once again, let's recap the 2 mind shift sets that change everything for me and can absolutely change things for you too. Number 1, from coping to creating profit and peace. And number 2, from waiting to walking with Freedom Formula Blueprint, step by step. If this felt like a spark that you have been waiting for, drop now in the comments. That word means that you are done waiting. Like I said, one life, one decision, and it's yours. You're ready to move on. You know, quitters never win, and the winners never quit. And Spoonies like us, we build freedom, one gentle system at a time. Automation is the key. YouTube has picked up the perfect next video for you. But before you watch that one, don't forget to download my Freedom Formula Blueprint down below. It's free and it will guide you through everything how to take the next step to your dream life. Until we meet again, toodaloo.